This is Brian from Crypto Corner, and today I'm going to show how to install the MetaMask wallet as a browser extension on your desktop and or your browser, and then I'll show you how to create the wallet, and then how you get some money into that wallet. Right from the Chrome Web Store. Um, you can look for the link here. I'll put the link in the comments, but you come to the browser extension, find MetaMask, and then you just click Get, and then it just says what the extension will be able to do. So you hit Add Extension, and the installation is very quick, much quicker than if you were to put the wallet on your mobile phone as an app, for example. So should be done here momentarily. So now it's done. So we got this notification here that it's been added to Microsoft Edge, and you'll probably notice that I installed a Chrome extension on Microsoft Edge because those extensions are somewhat interchangeable for most applications. So you can go right here to launch the extension. And now we have a screen to create a new wallet. If you had an existing wallet, you could import it as well. And yeah, I don't want to send any data to them. What I have to do, then you create a password. And that password is not recoverable. And then one thing with wallets, security. So you'll want to do this security. I would not recommend skipping it. So securing your wallet. What they do is they have 12, 12 phrases that are randomly chosen. Those 12 phrases are needed in this order in case you lose your password or need to move your wallet maybe to a different place. So usually for now I'll just put a notepad. But you'll want to back this up and make sure that nobody can get at these 12 phrases. And then they ask you kind of a little test to make sure you did. So victory spin market. I'm going to be deleting this wallet after this video, so I'm not worried about you seeing the 12 phrases. Sleep. And confirm. Wallet's protected, ready to go. All right, we're almost there already, so it's pretty fast. I don't want to learn about that. And this is actually your wallet running in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome browser. So if you wanted to fund right now, of course, it has $0. So if you wanted to fund this, easy. Now wallets you can't upload, can't do a deposit from your bank. That you use an exchange for that. I'm going to be going to an account I have on Coinbase, the Coinbase exchange, to show you how you would move some money to this wallet. So what you do is you click the receive button, and then this is your wallet address. You can also, if you're using a cell phone, you can scan using a QR code, but you just copy this address and it ends in 52F. And then you'd switch to where you do have some funds. So here's my Coinbase account. I have some Bitcoin and some Tether. So if I were to send just a little bit of Tether, $1, for example, to this wallet, you would do send crypto here. And then now you put your wallet in. And the wallet address is extremely important to get right. If you put the wrong wallet address in, you're going to send the money either to someone else's wallet or to no one. So now I'm going to send $1 of Tether to the 52F. I'm going to be using the Ethereum network. There's actually 1.9 cent fee. So now you just click send now. And when you send Tether, which is the stable coin, one of the stable coins for US dollar, the transaction doesn't take very long to send. It might be a minute. But now you see, at least in Coinbase, it said I sent it. You can view the details. Oh, so of course, let's see what we got here. Okay, so it looks like maybe there's some sort of issue on the network right now. Let's just try it real quick right now since it's sometimes you have to do it more than once. Just look in here, try it one more time. Or maybe your network, so that should be good. It'll be successful. Otherwise, what you would do is once it's sent, then in the MetaMask wallet here, after a few minutes, you would see that you had the dollar in here, and then there's the activity, which would show that the transaction has occurred. So let's go back here. See if any notices yet. So that could be a good sign. See if there's anything I don't see anything yet in the activity. We'll give it just another moment. If we don't see it, then we'll end the video. But that's how you would install the MetaMask extension, and then fund your MetaMask wallet with some funds from a different exchange. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any feedback, whether it's good or bad, I would welcome you to leave some comments. And also, if you're interested in other videos like this, if you I would love it if you would join the Crypto Corner channel by subscribing. Have a great day. Thank you.